go to Hippo Video. It's a web app, and it's also a Chrome Store web app extension that can be added to Chrome. And what it's going to allow you to do is screencast, use the web camera, or record, and it's SCOPA compliant. And in this scenario, my plan is to record or screencast Tinkercad 3D print. And what I'll do is put this in the plan section for my video. So I've stopped the video, it recorded the screen. You can see how it recorded it. Now I'm going to download it as an MP4. If you're using your Chromebook, it will download right into Google Drive. So now I'm in my CrossBraining app. I click Capture, select a file, and in Google Drive it would just be in the Google Drive, but this is on my PC, so I was able to get it out of my downloads. And now I'm going to upload and hit or click a start point and an end point of where I want this three-dimensional object in my plan. So you can use a Tinkercad or a 3D modeling program to create the plan for your task. And then in this case it was to build a guitar pick to play an electric guitar using your own 3D printed guitar pick. And so now I'm just going to add in my narration to this screencast, and it's that simple. It's all finished. That's how you add a screencast video to the CrossBraining app.